Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off quick casts in League of Legends. Okay, so the Ezreal will be a good example because 3 of his 4 skills are skill shots. So as you can see currently I turned off the quick cast, and if you want to link any of your abilities to quick cast, you have to open the escape and move for the hotkeys and then click right here on the ability, and when this arrow is highlighted it means that it's set up for the quick cast. So take a look right now. I'm gonna turn off this indicator also. So as you can see right now the Q is set up to the quick cast and I don't have to aim and confirm the spell with left mouse button, but the W it's still as the normal cast. So that's how you can do this with the spells. You can also do this to quick cast all spells and then click OK to confirm, and take a look right now. All spells are linked to the quick cast, even the trinket. If you want to change any of this setup, for example you want to aim trinkets manually, unselect this arrow, click OK, and right now we can do this manually with the indicator. You can also get the quick cast but show indicator before casting spell, so it will look like that. You press Q and you get this path of the skill, but also you can hold the Q and you can simply move and see the path of the skill, but you don't have to confirm with your left mouse button. So that's how we can do this in the League of Legends. Hope you find it. I mean, hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.